Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start in the camera app, open photo mode, and expose the hidden controls by tapping the chevrons or swiping up. Once done, tap the timer icon and pick 3s or 10s. Make sure Live Photos is off. Live Photos can trigger burst-like frames on newer iOS versions. You're doing this to force the camera to capture a single timed shot instead of capturing multiple frames rapidly. Now position your phone and secure it on a stable surface or tripod for the next steps. With the timer set, compose your shot and tap the subject to set focus. Then press and hold to lock AE/AF until you see the AE/AF locked banner. This prevents the camera from refocusing during the countdown, which can cause extra frames. Next, use the hardware volume button or a paired remote to trigger if you want less movement. Pressing the on-screen shutter may nudge the phone. By locking exposure and using a remote, you reduce the system's tendency to shoot multiple frames to compensate for blur. Press the shutter and back away. Watch the countdown and expect a single image after the timer ends. If you still get bursts, make sure iOS is current Apple patches camera behavior and disable Live Photo and Smart HDR because those features can create multiple frames. If problems continue, close and reopen camera or reboot the phone. This clears temporary processing states. Finally, test again on a plain background to confirm a single timed shot. If it still fails, contact Apple support for device-specific diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.